Alright, so we just got done putting a flag mount on my brother's Piranha 125E mini bike. See what we did? We just took a piece of steel, kind of welded it off the back there. We'll show you what it looks like with the fender on. We were going to try to do something like mine, where we come off the exhaust bolts and go back, but he's only got one exhaust bolt, and so he didn't think it'd be that durable, so we went with just welding a tab off the frame. Here's a shot of how I did mine. You can see I've got an actual bar that I welded together, and it goes and attaches to the exhaust pipe bolts all the way underneath there. Moves it all the way to the back, so it's way out of the way. You know, these Hondas, they don't have a steel frame under here to tie into, so I had to go off of the frame way up there and extend it back. But this works really well. It gets the flag far away from the rider. I've got a build video on this. I can put a link in the description too. Alright, here's what this one looks like with the plastics back on it. You can see it's pretty discreet, just a little tab coming off the back of the bike. Super cool. Yep, should turn out pretty nice. Simple, about as far back as it can go. So this bike will be ready for the dunes next week.